Idi na wase ohunu say yedi enkomo. Me da say so gusu hebedwam e wa Adom TV so na menkai wo say menya tena say ya na Franco Trading Enterprise eni kwa me mu brand wase phones, laptops, accessories, printers, Franco TV wo de aba, Franco air conditioners wo de aba. Wase na CCTV cameras ni nyina na bia ba obetumi abe install ya ma wo. No connected to phone baby anam bia no ho ne me ekoso e wo fie ni wadwuma hodo mu download the Franco app ne to phone so na ni wo mu ni nkita ho sanso na DBS Industries Limited say e dan so bonko ade a wasrada wo mo na age mu hini e wo mai mu ani ama hodo nyina so nti eno wo mu ni nkita wo mfa na de papa bi tisa losing trusts mu dan so ma eno wo mo 100 years warranty wo wi a o de nchensen papa bi tisa Colorlink Plus akuri dan so ma eno so ma 20 years warranty. Imagine so Tony and Mammy, 120 years warranty. This is a DBS for Nkwana. One funny thing and a good thing I become when they say concrete work I would win you now no woman ye be. Until would dine soon I will flow form now castia. Fako down when a DBS for your mouse. And you McQuay and a crab moment say and I may and semi and someone up. We will see something good, something big is about to happen. A dear bad dear, no tina mistress or become when I ye di enco. When I said the papa ye because we enkran kropom ha say ya dingo pram mensi ni mu na bekoso agoto kope na sa energisemi ekoso na menya Reverend Dr. Steve Mensa onon waye asrepanyin sa ye kofa by General Overseer Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry wababeka bensa na dwumadie no eyesronko ne ka akoma me humanitarian project say ya na meni agenti ma menko Reverend Dr. Steve Mensa ho na yeni enkomo. Reverend,
hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nampombo kode.
Nankopon Israel.
Yede nyankopon asepa. Yedim se mo ye sem ability.
Okay.
Na sem ability ne ka yede ade a na omanfo nti ase.
Sem ability village no to say kru bia ba be si ama o medi dem. Yedim se we are very aware of the disabled community.
Yes.
It's a very large group of people that in Trabia, how they live, how they work. It's very, very depressing. Very because me yet to Juma won crack crossing, which shall be brave. Omode omusan omunai and then form omode sebi omoto the nanti very depressing, deplorable situations. Here I just said yeah, BBFN piecemeal approach. I want to go beyond that to build a community for them, an integrated community. Same way, baby ada because I said, your friend is saying, yeah, you know, say me food aid program about rice, garlic, sugar, beans, bucket, and then the back one we did them out ordinary in 94 model on to me. Ye na ye boy kita de nyama no na me di ba ko echi ma me bi me di na echi one ne ba e de nyama no
kuja no
fie na me do baby a omoda no a dog will not even sleep there.
Wow.
A dog will not call that place his home. A home.
Nti anu nti na ama aka wakoma amahu ne say e wo se mo si baby a whole village na sankofo ni nyina akoguo no go free the street so
yeah no mo free to baby mo did that is very depressing, very
minim say sorry ni dey Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry eno ne etwa ne tia ne CEM ya na oh so this is a sorry the project. Oh wow.
But it is a project we are just leading, but we want the whole community of the country to be part, because we are doing it not for CEM, but we are doing it for mankind. And so we are doing Jimina, we share my project lead now. We will say, say 2,000 acres.
2,000
acres.
1 acre be almost 4 plot.
Yes,
2,000.
6.5 miles.
Wow.
I see 9,000 homes for 69,000 families.
For what more did them?
And your portions, baby, almost did them because when person say I could push it. No, it's an integrated community.
Okay.
But this is where they live. Sena, yeah, well, a friend is a gated community for the middle class income. Also, many gated community. This is the disability gated community. Also, Bawa, everything is disability friendly. They have their own hospital, their own schools, their own industrial park. They create jobs. Enclave. So they have a decent home and accommodation. He or she can come to work, earn some money, because I want the economy of the village to be able to sustain itself.
And here, I mean, projects are very huge. Though I saw it so. I said, I'm working on Crofombo, but how do you intend funding this huge project?
Yeah, until we are initiating 2 main ways to fund the project. Number one, that is why we are launching BFN 10 for ability. We share every Ghanaian, over 1 million Ghanaians across the world, and other friends and neighbors should contribute $10, 10 yen, 10 euro, 10 any currency in your whatever. Just donate about 10 for it, and then
10. Yeah,
10. Different 10 for ability.
$10 for ability.
Yes, 10 pounds, 10 yen, 10 euros, whatever, for the next 1 year. Obi person buawa. Oposo who say na
yes.
And some also they need the aba.
Yes.
And I only say nkofo bebre we are here. They are some multi-billionaires. Almost bebre, and they are looking for credible, genuine project to fund.
Invest.
Because the project proposal come on, almost say there are so many fraudulent things in it.
People hide behind.
We are not into those things at all.
Okay.
These are, of course, our track record is there for our day of help that we have done for the past 8-9 years, where we have, if your footages can show thousands of people who have come to the Independence Square, Kumasi, Tamale, Boga, Ayenya, Bebre. It is the time that we are moving from the piecemeal approach. Say, maybe to see a place for you to give you a hook to fish. Into disabled people in agriculture, disabled people in farming, disabled in animal husbandry, disabled people trying to or the industrial machines now pam school tiring and GS to come and buy from them to create jobs, because the Pakone did them 1 but the brains are still there. Now so there's no enabling environment for the person to do any work. And this is where the person can showcase what he or she can do if the environment is created. When you say when we did them all culture, all time more and all to watch that.
It's because then say Juma.
Yeah, but only capital, only baby or dampo, only baby. Most of them, some of them are committing suicide all over the place. We want to stop that narrative and create an enabling environment for him to be able to work with his hands so that he can earn a living and look after himself and his family.
Just say, the year can 10 for ability. Obi sharing, or donate, because when you say Ghana, there, anyway, I see for more Adom TV, no, would it be to in fact, emotional appeal, it gets to them. Adom ya Adom, and Adom so the year the any no. And to be person donating the £10, the €10, number ben one from Faso.
Many number no offhand, but it will show on your mind.
Okay.
To show on your screen, it will be there.
And Ebusia, me pacho, and for you know at that one, who share the TV this one, and number no, and a das one, number no, edaso. Na a 059 27 059 74 33 938. Me pacho and that was screen this one 059 74 33 938. Eti pacho on say flyer na da ho no mo no e na ya trust no 10 for ability. Enti koma ye di nyina eye wono mu a edi dem se be ya wo benya ni da so na enkoba se sebi mpredua sa wo mo de na ebusua mfonyi ni da ho no mo no picture na da so no enti wo hwe ye ne a na wo betime twa ne picture twa ne picture numbers no ene wase no na wa donate na wo de aba na empanimfo so ede aye de wo se wonom ede eye betime so dial star 800 star 40 hash star 800 star 404 hash star 800 star 404 hash na wasende ako na opanyi minim say groundbreaking stronko bi ekoso on the 24th of June here you woman and also my briefing it is saying
we conceived the idea I think 2016 2014 there and I've been say see baby man until we went to Agoto corporate to go and ask for the chiefs to give us a land my ready to sell the land but that from over the time we've been paying for the land as I say I could do Pempensubia. They are giving us the permission to now enter the land and break ground and start building. So we'll be building and be paying for the land as well. And His Excellency the Vice President is our special guest of honor. Obeba, Onu Sejumedwe or the Huajimpa or Tayechi because of Kase and Crawford no be benefiting more on this because some northern part of our country, the stability community there is something. It's mind blowing. And you know, feel saying in Crawford ever benefiting more. And you know, Jima was clear in schedule 24th November on the paying for. I saw from paying for organizations, companies, and things. Baby, now I feel groundbreaking. Now within 2 weeks of that groundbreaking, I will hit the ground running, building. Yes, I'm building it. A time is going to come in our time. There will be no homeless, disabled person lying in some corner of a street with his children. It will not happen again.
Yes, a bedroom may be no so much because more empower more baby
yeah. Wow. So why are you on the street? Why are you at the roadside? Why are you hiding in some cannabis?
There's a bus and a one out pay. And I'll tell no
because they are creative baby ama. I'll be to me baby then Juma ye Yaube school. I feel so we build 5 specialized hospitals within the enclave.
Sa community corner, gated community.
Yes, gated community no be hospital. So the be won say to be we did them abi and ni ba konkosia pai and I feel a big hole has come in there. We will fix prosthetic eyes for you. You may not be able to see with the eye, but
abema when you matter so me who say when ni yemi
obi an say through an accident, you be fix prosthetic arm. Obi an 9 ba kon e be fix prosthetic leg amount. There will be the prosthetic hospital where they will fix limbs and things and give you the opportunity to live again.
Rev, enkomone de batebreno anya ye be. O final comment ni yonko.
You pray say after 24th all Ghanaians living home and abroad and other nationals all over the world will help and discuss this project with people. There are people who are very, very rich in this country. But almost pay baby, you my baby, the almost can be into Mumbra on board, no Mississippi Sinyama. Upa with me abaho. Because okay, I want to build 10 units for the ability village. Come with your own materials and come and build. We'll show you the design. That was because 9,000 homes. Obia mfani hunjim na yambua omo edidem.
All right.
Na ko possible.
Yeah, that's it. Reverend Dr. Steve Benson, what do General Overseer, Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry, what I say, disability and your inability. We are disabled. Now, so said, Baya, Obama money that's winting on, Womo AC, Adaya Hodo, where your same ability village, until you wait me do one gym. Now, once work with CB, and there's a 2 crown, I person with Simon, and I'll bring back on a person here. Ekwan edaho na mena me ho na mento ade mratewo me ba nkomo hwehwe ne de aka eche nya betwa so bedwam so ni me basia